A video commercial is a short film designed to promote a product or service. These commercials aim to grab attention quickly and convey a message in a fun and engaging way. Ever wondered how a simple video can skyrocket your brand's visibility? Stay tuned to discover the secrets behind creating compelling video commercials. Creating a video commercial can seem tricky, especially if you're just starting out. But with a clear plan and the right tools, anyone can make an effective video that captures attention. Creating a video commercial might feel like a big task, but it can be a fun adventure. Every great video starts with a simple idea. Video commercials are powerful tools for attracting customers and building brand awareness. They can increase brand awareness, showcase products effectively, and drive sales and engagement. Before you start filming, it's super important to know what you want to achieve. Setting clear goals helps you stay focused. There are several types of videos you can create, each serving a different purpose: brand commercials, product demos, testimonials, and event promotions. To ensure your video reaches the right audience, choose the right video format. What you post on YouTube will be different from what you post on Instagram or TikTok. Understanding your audience is key. Research their interests and preferences to create content that resonates with them. A great script is the backbone of your video. Start with a strong hook to grab attention and include a clear call to action at the end. Storyboarding is like creating a visual plan for your video. It helps you organize your thoughts and ensures you don't miss any important shots. When it comes to creating a video commercial, having the right gear is super important. Good equipment can make your video look professional and engaging. You don't need the fanciest camera. Even a good smartphone can work. If you invest in a camera, invest in quality lenses and a stable tripod for better shots. Lighting is crucial. Softbox lights or ring lights can help brighten your scene without harsh shadows. Clear audio is a must. Consider using lavalier mics for close-ups or boom mics for wider shots. Good audio is just as important as good video. Invest in a decent microphone and minimize background noise. When you're ready to film, remember to use the rule of thirds to frame your shots nicely and experiment with angles. Visuals can make your video pop. Choose colors and styles that match your brand and use graphics to highlight key points. Editing is where the magic happens. Trim unnecessary parts, use simple transitions, and add text overlays to highlight key points. Promoting your video. Social media is a fantastic way to get your video in front of more people. Share snippets or teasers to grab attention and use engaging captions. Promoting your video on social media and other platforms is key to reaching a wider audience. Use engaging captions and relevant hashtags. If you want to reach even more people, consider using paid ads. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram offer targeted advertising options. Working with influencers can help you reach a wider audience. Find influencers who align with your brand and propose a collaboration. To know if your video commercial is working, track its performance. Keep an eye on views, engagement rate, and conversion rate. Getting feedback from your audience is crucial. Use surveys, read through comments, and gather focus groups to discuss their thoughts. Once you have your metrics and feedback, analyze the data, identify weak spots, and test changes to improve your video. Take your time to plan, shoot, and edit, and don't forget to share your work with the world. With practice, you'll get better and more confident in your skills. Remember, a strong video commercial can create instant connections with your audience. It's all about telling your story in a way that resonates with them. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a video commercial that not only looks great, but also effectively communicates your message. So grab your camera, let your creativity flow, and start making videos that shine. You've got this, and we can't wait to see what you create. Subscribe to our newsletter for regular updates, tips, tricks, and resources for marketing your business online. If you need help or have questions, be sure to contact us.